morning. I'm so glad you could join me here today. I have the reveal of my latest kit for the Button Farm Club, and this is a really cool kit. I think y'all are gonna love it. This is a card kit made with Stamperia's Voyages Fantastique paper collection, and I put together what I think is a really wonderful array of folios, cards, gift card holders, interactive cards. I mean, you name it, it's in here. So we're going to start with this wonderful folio. This guy is, hold on, I should have measured this, 6.5 by 8 inches. So a really beautiful size, very simple on the front, covered on the back. And you'll get everything in the kit you need to create this. And it's got a really fun little flip design, a pocket with tags, lots of really cool steampunk clocks. This is a whole steampunk themed card kit. A wonderful little side pocket over here with these adorable little 4x4.25 gift card holders. You just tuck your gift card or money gift under the band and you still have room to write your message. And then in the center pocket, we've got a couple of journal cards. I'm envisioning this as a fantastic graduation gift for a guy or a girl, especially if they're going to be taking a little trip after graduation. It's just a wonderful place. There's room to journal, there's room to add photos, you can put addresses in here, and it's a really fun little folio to make. So that is the very first thing that we'll make in this kit, but there's more. Let me just put this aside. The cards. I racked my brain for weeks coming up with ideas for cards that were trendy, that would work for guys, that would work for girls, that would work for teens, and I think I came up with a winner. There are 7 additional cards to the folio and the gift card holders, so that's a lot in one kit. And we start off making a really cool shaker card, and you are not going to believe how easy this is to make. It's going to change your world. I'm not going to tell you here. You have to buy the kit to make it, but the sequins come with the kit. These wonderful vintage chipboards come with the kit. The ribbon comes with the kit. The paper comes with the kit. The flowers come with the kit. The secret ingredient that we use to make the shaker comes with the kit. And you also get 25 sheets of brown, cream, and gray cardstock, 8.5 by 11, to build all the card bases and to do matting. So it is loaded. Oh, and all the metal gears come with the kit. I'm trying to think if I'm forgetting anything here. The sequin mix, yeah, so that's good. So inside, every card is finished on the inside. Every card has a pocket. So you can add a tea bag, you can add a gift card, you can add a note. This one has a journal card on it, and then there's room up here to write your note. You can actually tuck a photo or something back behind this tag. Then tall and skinny cards are all the rage right now, so I had to include one of these in the kit. This is a really tall and skinny fella. This one is a cutaway card. So the base is, the front is 4 by, I want to say it's 9, yep. But the back is 4.25 by 9, and I've left room here to write a note. Again, a gift card pocket with a tag here, and then all these wonderful little interactive dimensional pieces on the front. This is I love this collection. It is so fun. Hot air balloons, steampunk, trains, it's got it all. And then a not as tall and skinny card. This one is 4.25, and I want to say it's by 7.5. And again, all this wonderful dimension, the metal gears, the chipboards, it just makes for a great card. And then on the inside, room to write a note and a side pocket. The next card, this is a really fun one, you guys. I wanted to put I wanted there to be cards that were easy for beginners, fun for intermediates and advanced, but then a couple of challenging cards as well. And I think you're going to love this one. Look at this. This is a Z-fold pop-up box card. How cool is that? Just so awesome. And this can stand up as home decor. It's just a really great masculine card with this steampunk top hat guy, all these gears, the little penny farthing. and then inside this wonderful dimensional box. And I think you're going to be thrilled at how easy this is to make. You just break it down into the steps, which I do for you in the tutorial. And this one even has a little gift card pocket over here on the side. So super fun. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, then feminine cards. Gotta have a feminine card. And this steampunk lady, it says, be splendid and choose adventure. This would be great for graduation, birthday, a milestone birthday. It's just fantastic. And again, on the inside, room to write a note and a wonderful gift card pocket. Then this is a 5x7 feminine card. Same thing, lots of layers, beautiful, rich colors. Time machine. This would be really great for a milestone birthday. And then on the inside, a pocket, this really beautiful hot air balloon decoration. And I mean, the card becomes the gift. It's so cool. Then this is the pièce de résistance. I love this card design, and I think you will too. This hot air balloon would work for men and for women. I love the whimsical cardstock flower clouds. I love the banner. I love the gears, the little turn tab, but look what happens when you open it. How cool is that? So fun. I mean, can you imagine giving this to a teen at their birthday or graduation? This is so cool. And of course, there's a gift card pocket here, decorated up here. Fun, fun, fun. So how do you get this kit? Go to Button Farm Club, and I will put the link below. You can order the kit. I don't know if Laura is doing pre-orders or if this is a limited edition. I don't have that information at this point in time, but I will get that to you and put it in the description box. The kit will come with everything you need to create all of these cards and the folio with the gift card note cards. All you need to add is your adhesive, any kind of foam or dimensionals you want to use, rulers, scoring tools, that sort of thing. Simple, simple supplies that pretty much everyone has in their crafty stash. This is a great way if you struggle with learning how to layer patterned papers. This kit and this tutorial, it's like me sharing my process with you so you can learn how to make cards the way that I make cards. If you want to learn some new styles to add to your crafty toolbox, this kit will help you to do that. Because, hey, once you learn how easy it is to make this cool card, you can make it in any theme or any color for any occasion. Same with this this is a revolutionary idea for making shaker cards. I'm really excited about this one. So go to Button Farm Club, look for the Voyages Fantastique card kit. I'll put the link below. Thank you so much for all the support. You guys have been awesome with these Button Farm kits. I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun. And now I am going to go get my craft on. Bye.